So we wanted to do something as a company to celebrate America's 250th birthday.
To be here on the country's milestone of 250 years, it's a really special day.
You know, whether it is helping to build out the infrastructure that makes our country tick, or our contributions to World War II efforts, or the Apollo mission, we have been intertwined with the history of this great country for, many, many decades.
It was a great opportunity because we can put the tools in the hands of the people who are helping prepare America's front yard, the National Mall, for the 250th anniversary.
We have built America. We have had the tools that built America.
Every American equally owns this space.
This is your park. This is the America's Park. Every little bit is part of the visitor experience.
We are just passionate about this work to make sure that the National Mall thrives and endures for this generation, for visitors today and for future generations.
Yeah, it was very important for our founders to give back. So over the course of the 183 years that we've been a company, we've carried that forward.
People before us were very passionate and moved the progress forward, such that we could be here today. And so now it's our turn to deliver and help for the next generation.
And I don't think that there would be really any better way to really help celebrate that than by being able to do what we did today, which is a big part of our culture as well, which is service.
Happy 250, America!